Hello again. This is like my third video that I've made today. So, if you've been binging my videos, you'll know that I'm wearing the same shirt. But anyways, my name is Katie Hughes. I'm a Scentsy Independent Consultant, and today I'm going to talk to you about one thing that I do for my team that I think is pretty helpful. I think it's making a lot of sense for especially my newer consultants that have joined my team. It was a labor of love for sure. It took me a long time to make it, but and it's not necessary at all. Like if you're sponsoring somebody and they need to get an answer to a question, if you don't know the answer, Workstation's going to have the answer, or consultant support will, or your upline. But I like to be extra, and so I made a little app, and I had to password protect it for obvious reasons. But I want to show you how I am going to edit what I've already made. There would be no possible way I could make a video on how I made this because it took me hours and hours and hours. So I'll just show you how I'm going to tweak it because I've got a couple things I need to update. So I'm on Jotform. I use the free version. Right now, I don't need a reason to pay for anything upgraded. The free version is just fine. But you make an account with Jotform, and then you go to My Apps. So that's what I'm going to be working on. My Team Fragrance Fellows, I'm going to edit. Let me make sure I've got the pictures. Okay, see this one I want to add and this one. Rename. Check first things first. Okay, so let's see. If you're in the studio part, right, and you've got this paintbrush over here that does, or paint roller, that does like customization things and then add elements. We're not really going to need that right now for what I'm doing. I'm just going to be adding something. So, new consultants. These are like buttons when you go through. So I'm just going to jump to day 1. New consultants, day 1 through 10. Here we go. Hang on. Do I have this backwards? One moment. Oh, LOL, here it is. No, that's 17, 15. Here we go. I don't know. I guess I just clicked the wrong button. Oh. Oh, that's... What is wrong with my buttons? Oh. Here we go. Okay. I just have it named something different. Well, no. Okay, so here it is. Afterward to get help. Interesting. I don't know why. Oh, I know. Okay, I remember why I did that. Wow. Anyways, I put this sponsoring basics in between some of the beginning days of for a new consultant because some people choose to sponsor very early in their time as a consultant. So I'm catching up now. So anyways, I've got a bunch of these right now on different things to do, and this is the first thing I want to edit. So of course you can't see it because it's in white text. Actually, I don't need to do the text. I just need to add an image. So add an element, add an image. Where did you go? Where did it go? Here we go. So it defaulted to the end of the page. Well, where'd you go? Yeah. Sometimes it wants to work, sometimes it don't. Feel like there's a better way to do this. Oh no. Yeah, I'm not perfect. Technology does not always agree with me. Can I make it jump from here? That would be great. I don't think so. Okay, I have a different idea because this is being a pain. Delete that. Okay, go away. Okie dokie. Day one. So this is an image block. I can find it again. Oh, okay. I'm gonna put it down here in this text box. If I had an image box right here, I could duplicate and then edit the. That's what I'll do. This one right here. Here, and an image box. Okay, so settings for this one. Duplicate. And next. This one will be easier to get up to where I want it to be. I'm just gonna borrow this one. And drag. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Cool. So it is now. Let me change the image. Remove image. Choose a file. Upload. My first things first checklist. The image I'm adding is just showing how you have to make sure that you actually click the circle, because some people, I've noticed, actually a lot of people, they may watch all the videos and get all the information, but then they don't press that little check mark and then it doesn't count. And I want everybody to have the opportunity to get shooting star, sensational star, 1, 2, 3 if they want. And one of the most important or like, don't make the careless mistake of not clicking it, like doing the little green check mark, and then not qualifying for the order. I mean, for your award. Gosh. So this is just what this is showing. These are screen captures from the first video of their first things first checklist. But that's something I wanted to make sure that my new teammates are aware of. Making sure that I'm communicating all the information they need to know. So that's done. And then let's see where I want to put this Scentsy isms. I think I'll just put it at the beginning of this blog, like days 1 through 10. How did I go down to a different page? Goodness. Here we go. So I am so confused. Like this. Why does it keep doing that? For add element, and this time I want the picture at the end. Sheesh. And then put it down. Why does it keep doing that? My gosh. That's day 4. Keep on going. I went too far. Upload image. Gosh. This one I found in a Facebook group and I thought it was super helpful. It's got like what SOTM means, and so on and so forth, that we abbreviate a lot. And that's all I wanted to update. I just wanted to add these 2 images. After this video, I might go through and review some of the language to make sure that nothing else has changed, and also input some of the videos, the training videos I just made, so that it's here for them to have guiding them as they move on. So yeah, maybe I'll go ahead and do that ad page. Actually, here we go. This is where I want to put it. So social media information, technology tips, and trainings. Let me add a video here. So, video. I want 2 videos. So then I'm just going to duplicate. And I'm gonna, it's not gonna be the big deal if somebody stumbles upon this and they see this video, but you would always go back and hit the, like, highlight it and change the video to whatever video you want to have there. You can always preview the app here. There's settings and ways you can publish. You can invite people with emails, or you can just send a link. It's been an awesome learning experience, and I think making this made me a better consultant because I feel like I actually know my stuff. So hope that was helpful. Comment if you have any questions. Email me if you want. Text me if you have my number. Yeah. Okie dokie. See you later. Bye.